behind this tutorial I'm going to show you how to draw a stickman in Paint. So first we need to select oval from the shapes, so I click on it. And then we need to move our cursor somewhere here. We need to press and hold shift on our keyboard, and we need to draw here a simple circle. It will be the head of our stickman. So how you see, it has been successfully created here. Now we need to draw here another parts of body, so I need to click on line to draw it here. So I move cursor somewhere here, I press and hold shift, and I will create here a simple line. Okay, how you see, the line has been successfully created here. So now we can add arms to our stickman, so I press and hold shift somewhere here, and I draw simple lines. So I have created this one line, and maybe I will create here the simple line. The same with legs, we need to press and hold shift, and we need to draw a simple leg. The same action here to create second leg. Okay, so it has been successfully created here. Now we need to add here eyes, so I click on oval. I will create here first eye and the second eye. And if you would like to add here the smile, I need to select this one curve line, and I press and hold shift, and I draw here a straight line. Then I change position of this line somewhere here. And how you see, our stickman has been successfully created here. Remember that you can add colors to our stickman if you want. So if you want to do it, you need to go to this one icon. It will let you to fill the objects with the color. So I click on it. And now I need to select the color that I want to use. For example, we have here red, orange, yellow or green. So for example, I will select here red. Then I click inside the head, and it has been successfully changed to red. So now maybe I will change the eyes color. So I select another one color, for example, I will select here yellow, and then I need to click inside the eyes. So I will change color of this eye, and maybe I will change the color of this eye. So in this way you can easily create stickman in Paint. Remember that you can try this method to create another character in Paint. So that's all in this video.